Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the not enough RAM error in this game. The first thing you want to do is change a couple of settings within the options. If you can get to them, of course. Go to image. You want to set the screen mode to either windowed or windowed full screen. After that, you want to switch the shadow quality to low. You want to fix the texture quality to low. You want to make sure that VSync is off, and you want to make sure DLSS is off. And after you've done these things, let's go into Windows and change a couple of settings. Okay, now that we're in Windows, let's do a couple of different things. You want to access Task Manager by pressing Control Shift and Escape. Control Shift and Escape. And you want to close any unnecessary tasks, so basically rate them on whatever task is high CPU and memory usage. Right click on them and say End Task, especially memory usage since you're running out of memory. The next thing you want to do is check for updates on your driver. I'm not going to go through this too much, but you should have an NVIDIA Force installed. You want to click on drivers and update the driver here. Okay, great. The next thing you might want to consider is running the game in bordered mode. And the last thing you might want to try is a program called Exit Lag. This is quite useful. Basically, it's a game optimizer software. And I have it connected to my Steam account as well, but basically it looks at your closest servers and it connects you to them. But it also optimizes a bunch of different things for different games, including RAM usage, including CPU usage. And it basically, it puts everything else aside other than the game on a back burner in your computer. So you just install it, you find the game here. Here it is, Arena Breakout Infinite. You choose the region or server, go to Asia, go to Optimize Routes. You wait for it to finish. My friend is playing Baldur's Gate 3. Now once it's finished, you hit apply routes, and voila, that should lower the usage of RAM when using this game, and this may fix your problem. This is free for 3 days, but $6 a month after that. And you don't need a credit card, so might as well just try it, see if it works. If it doesn't work, just uninstall it. And that is it. If this helped you, leave the video a like, and please subscribe. If it didn't help you, leave the video a comment, and I'll do my best to get back to you.